Hi everyone, I'm Amir. I want to present one journal. The title is Looking Back on Career, Looking Forward to Retirements, Antecedents of Subjective Career Evaluations and Their Impact on Retirement Judgments. So it's from Journal of Gerontology and published in 2024. Why this journal is conducted? Because the people's, remember past events are people's experience, maybe it will be effect in the future, especially when people change to work life to retirement life. So in this process of the transition, maybe will be challenging for some of people. So this study looks how people rate their overall work satisfaction or career satisfactions and how family and work domain affect these conditions. Individual goals, individual resources, and also individual behaviors in work and also family will be have interrelate each other. For instance, employment stability, like promotions, maybe will be affect to the career satisfaction, but also maybe influence the family life. It's like because of the altering of the job times, altering the finances, stress, and also well-being. Just we know there will be increase the payment, and also increase the status. But they also have greater work times and reduce the family times, maybe. But will be have a conflict, family conflict, due to the added demands from the company or from the work life. So this study have two main questions. So how life course events, including employment stability, such as a promotion, job loss, etc., and personal shock events like a divorce and uncertainty, influence subjective evaluation of work and family domains among older workers nearing retirement, and are there significantly gender differences among these associations? And the second is to what extent to subjective evaluation of the work and family domains of career predict retirement adjustment. The design is from three wave conditions in 2015, 2018, and 2023 from needy pension panel studies in Netherlands. So the stratified sampling and also with the people all 16 or more. And for the measurements, it's dependent, it's subjective evaluations. It's use 7 questions, and also retirement adjustments use 1 questions. Or for the independence variables is such as employment stability, just like promotion and job loss. It's use 6 questions, and personal shock, just like a divorce. They have 5 questions, and for the control is using a social demographics. I will show you the diagram about the analytic plan from the author to address two main questions. For the first question, they want to know the association between employment stability, personal shock with the work domain. It's called a model A1 if they have a total sample, with a model A2 if they only male, or model A3 if they're only females. So for the another first question answer is with employment stability, personal shock with the family domains is called model B1 if they analyze for a total sample, model B2 only male, and also model B3 for only females. So first question will be addressed using OLS regression evaluations. In the first questions, to know how work how employment stability, personal shock influence the work domains. So we know in the children's, I think it's a quite an interest of the variable is called a children's. So if we have a children's, they have slightly increased the work satisfactions in this study. And for the family domains, promotions slightly decrease the family satisfactions, and the children's increase the family satisfactions with these conditions. And for the second questions, it will be conduct for all wave from 2018, 15, and 2023. With a work domain only, it's called model C. If they only use family domain, it's called model D. And if the analysis is conduct with the work and also family domain simultaneously, it's called model E using regression OLR. So I will be focused on the model E because it's conduct from work domain and also family domains. And we know that if the people have a good work domain evaluation, will be have a better retirement adjustments. If you have a good family domains, it will be have a better retirement adjustments. But interestingly, in the children's, if you have a children's, you may not have a better retirement adjustment. It's quite an interest because and maybe some of people have a challenges with the children because in the previous life they didn't take care about their children, but in the retirement life they need to take care of their children. So in this study, we know that this study found that maybe individual past or individual career evaluations will be effect to their retirement adjustments life. So not only in the previous life course, even significant in how individual evaluate their career, but also the career evaluation may have implication, may have effect to the adjust retirement life. So because we know that so for the strength of this study, we know that this study have explained about the theoretical concept is comprehensively for previous event that maybe affect to the retirement and also career evaluations. And also this study have three data is from 2015, 2018, and also 2023. And also the study focus on the work and family dimension that we know that this domain is close to the most of the peoples. For the critic is because they focus on the gender differences between male and also female, but do not provide the reasons why they need to separate it into the male and also females. For the second is for the independent variables, only give one questions to measure the retirement adjustments. So I think they need to provide the validity and also reliability for these questions because they not provided. And for the third is the independent variables. The author didn't mention of the measurements of the personal shock in details like validity and also reliability. And for the fourth, and I think is uh for the results is the beta coefficients is quite low. So I think we need to explore in the future for the specific variable that have impact in the retirements adjustments. Thank you for everyone and goodbye.